How to fix Xbox app not working on PC or not opening on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, repair or reset the gaming services. If the Xbox app not opening problem occurs due to the Xbox app issue, you can try to repair the application or reset it. Press Windows plus I to open Windows setting, then head to Apps and tap on the Apps and Features and search for the Xbox app from the app list at the right pane. Then select Xbox and choose Advanced Options. In the next window, choose Repair or Reset based on your situation. Wait for the process to complete and then restart your computer to fully apply the changes. Then simply run the Gaming Services Repair tool. Gaming services problems might prevent you from loading the Xbox app properly and even worse, missing content after launching. Fortunately, there is a tool to fix the Xbox app. All you have to do is visit the official site of the Gaming Service Repair tool and download this command line tool under the downloadable version section. After downloading, click on executable file to execute it and wait for the automatic check to complete. When the process is complete, press Y if the issue is resolved or N to give feedback to the development team with the on-screen instructions. Lastly, uninstall and reinstall gaming services. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Windows PowerShell Admin from the context menu. Then type the shown commands into the window and press Enter to execute it. In the same window, copy and paste the following command and press Enter to reinstall it. Plenty of Xbox users prove that this solution resolved the Xbox stuck on the loading interface issue on their cases. After that, you can relaunch Xbox to have a check. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.